So tell me about what we're doing today.
So today we're going to do the FatDaddy, sorry, Enertion FatDaddy ride out, and we're going to have it in Amsterdam. We're going to start at Nemo, which is a science center. Over there, people can try out the Raptor, they can talk with each other, you know, maybe have a little drink, and then we're going to ride all the way through Amsterdam, hoping to see a lot of beautiful sights, hoping not to get caught because the skateboards here are still illegal. Right now I'm on my way to the office to get all the other boards, all the loaner boards for the people who don't have a board or want to try one out for the first time. And yeah, we're just going to make it a great day.
Tejal got in touch with me about a week or two ago. He heard about the Enertion demo and wanted to back it up and yeah, support the e-skate community. FatDaddy runs 3 stores throughout Europe, Denmark, Netherlands and Spain.
Spain, yeah.
And yeah, in the last year they've come about and the market's getting a lot bigger, so it's great to collaborate. We'll run this event today. We should get about 30 people, 30, 40 people come out. Are you a FatDaddy, Nami?
FatDaddy, yeah, I'm today.
For 4 months? You can see the lines of walls.
Yeah, right. Little partition walls. Or...
Yeah.
So Tejal's making this space into a e-skate experience center. He's going to have a test area here for the boards. A good front in Amsterdam for coming to check out electric skateboards and give them a demo.
I could take it to the next level with 4 automatic here.
A couple of extra helmets for the group ride today, safety first.
A little bit too far though. Oh, the special creamy Italian for your head.
Uh-huh. FatDaddy.
Okay to have FatDaddy on.
So Peter over here has come over from Denmark to help out with the event. He runs the Denmark FatDaddy store. Let's do this. A bit about the event. We just got here down to the docks at yeah, in Amsterdam. Everyone's rocking up. Probably going to be the biggest event of the tour yet. So yeah, got people coming over from Denmark, coming in from Belgium. FatDaddy is letting people try all kinds of boards. We've got lots of safety gear and most importantly the Raptor 2 for everyone to have a go at. What do you think?
That's crazy quick. How do you think it's going as fast as it can go? It goes faster again and throws you off the back.
That's it. Great. Accelerate is forwards. Just give it a go like that. Back to brake. Beginner mode is up. Limited a lot with the beginner mode.
It says on the power.
Yeah.
Before beginner mode.
56 kilometers an hour. Biggest turn up of the demo so far. Nice. Revisions, yeah. Hey man. Good, yeah. Thanks for coming, guys. Me and my mate Nami back here. We've just been driving across Europe doing a tour for Enertion. I did a tour last year in the States. We did 8 cities in a van and went down really well. Wanted to come over to Europe and share it with you guys. So amazing to see how many people have come out. This is incredible seeing. Like 2 years ago, this wouldn't have been happening. Electric skateboarding has just boomed enormously. Thanks to Tejal for helping organize all of this. FatDaddy is incredible. Like 3 shops throughout Europe now and like really booming. Really good guy. We've been getting on well. So this is the Raptor 2. We got one open here. We've got a 432 watt-hour battery, which is about, boosted boards about 99 watt-hour, so you're getting about 35 k's of range maximum out of that. And then we've also got 2 speed controllers here, the FOC boxes, which a lot of people in the DIY community will know is probably one of the most robust speed controllers out there. FOC is field-oriented control, which means you can drive the motors really quietly, which is why the Raptor 2 you can go in full acceleration, it barely makes any noise. We've got a really good BMS here, so the board's charging off a 4 amp hour charger. It takes about 2.5 hours, you get a full charge. The main part we sell this board on is the power of the drivetrain. So you can see can see it's quite a big motor. It's quite wider than most hub motors. We do that so we can put more copper windings, so we can get a lot more torque out of it. Obviously, hub motor is like a 1-to-1 gearing ratio. With a belt drive, you've got normally like a 4-to-1. Is that typical 4-to-1? So you've got to put a lot more current in there to get that slow speed performance. But we've got about 60 amps of current going through it, and which really helps you get off the ground. And both motors are censored as well, so it can start from standstill. And then once you get up to about 10-15 miles an hour, that's when you feel the real performance. Doesn't make any noise and it just cruises really well. With yourself and the board, and then take the hashtag off my t-shirt. You can win $300 first prize, $200, $100 store credit with Enertion. So take a photo on Instagram with you and the board and post it with the hashtag. That's all you got to do. Massive group ride happening here now.
Got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man.
Ha.
80 and 40 on the nerve, bitch, I'm flyer than your ex. We ain't gotta go outside.
Oh no.
Wake up by my side. Oh yeah, she know the deal, like those scripted. You ain't the first to sell that shit. She ain't paying with the roof on. Yeah, we get think I got to get a move on.
So this canal has been dug in the late 1700s, and if you look to the right, you see all these cables.
Yeah, man. So Amsterdam's full of all these cobble streets, and these wheels are handling them pretty well. What do you reckon? How do they handle the cobbles?
Pretty okay on sort of cobble.
It's good. Woo! Producer, look at that, making it happen. Look at that.
Turn me to a yes man. Before we do this, girl, I got a question. If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie about a board, and I'm like, yes man. When you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah. 80 and a 40 on the nerve, bitch, I'm flyer than your ex man. Flyer than your ex, like oh my god. Right into your legs like, oh my god.
It was a great event, but the cops have just come and shut us down. We're not allowed to ride our boards anymore, unfortunately. We'll work on that, and hopefully that changes in the future. See you in London.